Seeing higher block rates and stricter verification lately? Mobile proxies might be the solution you need. Here's how mobile proxies work and when using them makes the most sense for your workflows. So, what are mobile proxies? Mobile proxy servers route your requests through actual mobile devices connected to LTE, 3G, 4G, or 5G mobile carrier networks. That means you're using real mobile IP addresses, mimicking authentic mobile traffic. Unlike data center proxies, which are server-generated and can be easily identified, mobile IPs come from real mobile users, so they have the lowest detection rates. If chosen correctly, they can even be harder to detect than residential proxies. While both residential and mobile proxies use rotating IPs to make high-volume requests appear authentic, mobile IP rotation uses real carrier CG NAT pools. With this carrier-grade NAT technology, mobile carriers are able to assign a single IP to multiple users. That means one mobile IP represents traffic from dozens or even hundreds of users at once. This is why mobile IPs are almost impossible to block. If a website bans one, it risks disrupting a large number of legitimate mobile users. All this makes mobile proxies ideal for verification-heavy workflows, allowing you to maintain access and reduce interruptions as you scale. Now that we have mobile proxies explained, let's go through their biggest pros and cons so you can decide if they fit your stack. Mobile proxy benefits to keep in mind include high trust score, using real mobile carrier IPs so traffic looks legitimate and clears verification more reliably. Low block rates, thanks to CG NAT technology and dynamic rotation that reduce bans, captchas, and retries. Consistent access on mobile trusted targets where platforms favor mobile network traffic for verification-heavy workflows. But the nature of mobile IPs also comes with trade-offs. So, the main disadvantages of mobile proxies to consider include higher cost due to mobile carrier-based IPs and real network infrastructure, especially if the plan also limits bandwidth. Less predictable latency as traffic runs through cellular networks and speed varies by carrier load and location. Limited geodiversity with fewer geo-targeting options. So, when is the extra cost of mobile proxies justified for your workflows? Let's go through the best use cases of mobile proxies. Number 1, social media management. Mobile proxies for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and similar platforms are especially useful when you're managing multiple accounts or automating at scale. Using real mobile IPs makes your sessions look like regular mobile users, not server-driven automation. This means fewer checkpoints, SMS verifications, and forced logouts. More stable, multi-account activity with fewer IP flags. Cleaner geo-localized access that matches real user regions. It's how you can keep social workflows stable as enforcement becomes stricter and platforms refine their detection models. Number 2, web scraping. If you've ever watched a scraper go from green to constantly failing the second you turn up concurrency, you'll understand why mobile proxies matter. With even lower block rates than residential proxies, they are perfect for scraping data from websites that heavily trust mobile network traffic. This results in higher success rates on strict anti-bot protected pages, fewer captchas and soft blocks as request volume grows, more stable pipelines with less retry overhead. Reliable 5G, 4G, and LTE proxies for scraping can be the difference between a scraper that works in testing and one that keeps working in production. And if they come with unlimited bandwidth, you can keep your pipeline stable and cost-effective. Number 3, ad verification. Ad delivery changes by region, device, and IP trust. So if your verification traffic comes from the wrong network, you may see a filtered or incomplete version. Private mobile proxies help by using real mobile IPs that match regular mobile user traffic, ensuring accurate creative and placement validation across regions, fewer blocks or trust flags during scale, more reliable detection of fraud, cloaking, and delivery mismatches. This lets you verify campaigns under real-world conditions and protect your budget by identifying issues before they impact performance. Number 4, mobile app testing. Features that work in tests but fail for real users can happen when tests don't reflect real mobile networks. But with reliable mobile proxies, you can run tests using real mobile IPs, giving you accurate insights into user experience and network performance. This allows you to measure app performance under real mobile conditions, validate geo-targeted features in region-specific content, recognize issues that only appear on authentic mobile IPs like login failures or content restrictions, and ensure QA reflects true user behavior, reducing surprises after launch. This is why mobile proxies are invaluable for mobile app testing, ensuring your apps work reliably where it really matters, in the hands of real users. Number 5, verification-heavy automation. Whether you're automating social media actions, scaling web scraping, or running protected steps like logins, signups, checkouts, and account checks, verification usually fails before your automation does. As request volume and concurrency rise, these endpoints can trigger extra checks and blocks. But 5G and 4G proxies for automation can help stabilize these workflows. By using trusted mobile IPs from real mobile carrier networks, they help those high-friction steps to pass more consistently at scale. This means fewer verification loops and mid-flow blocks, higher success rates on gated endpoints, reduced retry overhead, keeping throughput stable as you scale. In other words, it's how you can keep automation reliable on platforms with strict verification systems. Ethically sourced mobile proxies are powerful, but they're also a premium resource. That's why using them strategically and choosing plans with unlimited bandwidth is essential to keep your pipelines smooth and predictable. If you need reliable, ethically sourced mobile proxies with no bandwidth limits, talk to our team at IPRoyal. We'll help you design a proxy strategy that scales with your goals.